whakalawhalava, whakalawhalaki atu, kia orana, bulavanaka, tēnā koutou katoa. From different corners of the Pacific, we gather here tonight. It is not often we are given an opportunity like this one, where we may establish a forum to begin our collective and individual success. My name is Nohokainga Pulekautaha-Lai. I am 18 years old, and for 14 years I have been a student, beginning from kindergarten all the way up until now, where I stand before you as a first-year law and history student at Victoria University. On my father's side, I am of Samoan, Niuean and German ancestry, and on my mother's, I am of Scottish and Māori whakapapa. Both my parents are low-income workers. However, they have provided my sister and I with opportunities and encouragement so that we may succeed in regards to education. I am humbled to have the opportunity to speak to you tonight. Education is a partnership between student and teacher and parent and child. This is a partnership that relies on the other and that cannot flourish without it. Some of us are fortunate enough to have parents and families who encourage us towards education, who are there consistently throughout the journey. This support is beneficial and it does make a difference. Some of us, however, are not so fortunate. However, there are many support services and institutions that are there to guide, that are there to help you. I advise that you seek out these support services. They will provide a stability and an encouragement. Your first stop is at school. Motivation comes in many forms. The home environment is the beginning. Our parents work hard to ensure we have better futures and to break the poverty cycle that entraps our people. To ensure we do not struggle. At the end of the day, we are responsible for our futures and we are responsible for our education. Ask yourself, what are your strengths? What are your abilities? Find them, pursue them. Seek the opportunities that come from your strengths, and you shall reap the rewards. Say you excel on the sports field, pursue that dream, make it into a goal, turn it into a reality. Say you excel in the classroom, math, science, history, take that strength, apply yourself. Whatever you excel at, whatever you are good at, use it, turn it into your own success. All that you need to do is motivate yourself and believe. For education is not limited to university. There are many institutes that will cater to your own needs. Polytechs, Welltech, courses and more. It is about finding the institutional path that best suits you. We are competing within a society full of problems. Drugs and alcohol, crime, and even boys and girls. For some, we come from low socioeconomic backgrounds, from struggling families. A life of struggle we do not want. So let this be the inspiration to achieve and be more than what they have said. Think about all the Pacific, men and women who have succeeded before you and I, and look at what got them there. Look to the faces of the men and women who struggled, who are from low socioeconomic backgrounds, from lowly self-schools. They believed in themselves. They found their strengths, they turned them into dreams, and thus into achievable goals. For example, Tana Umana, a Polynesian boy who came from this region, from this school. who openly acknowledged that he was not an academic student, but he pursued his talent on the rugby field. He was determined, and although the journey was long, he made something out of himself, because he wanted to be more than a labourer or a factory worker. Think about it. If he could believe in himself, then so can you. If he can achieve, then so can you. Our backgrounds do not limit us. We can succeed so long as we believe. Let us be the generation who makes the changes to ensure we have a better future. Let us look to the faces, our families, and those around us who struggle, and decide that we will not share their burden. By applying ourselves and choosing education, we decide to walk down a different path than those before us, and lay down stronger foundations for a generation to follow. Let us inspire more Pasifika individuals to achieve, and let us turn our dreams into achievable realities that will ensure a better day. The road to success is not easy, and neither is education. It will be challenging at times, and it will be difficult. However, the rewards are many. Education opens the world up to you and I and delivers many opportunities. So let us utilise those opportunities and make the choice to make a better tomorrow. Once again, I would like to say thank you for the opportunity given to me, which has allowed me to share both my experiences and discuss education. But I would like to leave here tonight secure in the knowledge that out of this funnel, that the learned minds in the Pasifika community and the educational institutes will come together on a regular basis to discuss and formulate ideas about how we can uplift our students so to enable them to succeed. Ko wha soifua. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa, God bless.